In our movers and shakers this morning, David Einhorn, the hedge fund manager who shorted Lehman Brothers months before it collapsed, is betting on a similar outcome for the two biggest credit rating agencies. Einhorn said yesterday he's still short shares of Moody's and McGraw-Hill, owner of Standard & Poor's. The Irisone conference in New York is the same venue Einhorn used to blast Lehman. This time, he slammed the way Moody's and S&P determine a country's ability to meet its financial obligations. Einhorn also said he bought shares of African Barrick, which trades in London. Money manager Dan Fuss of Loomis Sales has sold all his Treasury holdings. Fuss has said, quote, the fundamentals are awful, and that he unloaded the last of his Treasuries last week. To Fuss, it doesn't make sense to keep buying debt when the U.S. government keeps issuing more bonds. He expects interest rates to rise, sending bond yields higher and prices lower. Fuss's Loomis Sales bond fund beat 95% of its competitors last year. His comments about Treasuries echo those of PIMCO's Bill Gross, who runs the world's biggest bond funds. Billionaire investor Tom Hicks is quitting the sports game. Hicks tells Bloomberg Businessweek he is systematically selling sports businesses to focus on private equity and real estate. Hicks Sports Group is selling the NHL's Dallas Stars. Another of Hicks' teams, the Texas Rangers baseball team, filed for bankruptcy on Monday. The parent company defaulted on $500 million in debt last year.